Hello YouTube, this is Ryder here again with one more video on house maintenance. Remember my lifestyle, cheap and proud, every dollar counts. So here's what I'm faced with. Just about Thanksgiving time, this stove here, this burner stopped working. And I researched and I was able to find a replacement, in which I'm going to show it to you how to make sure that the burner is the actual problem. To make sure that this is the problem, I'm going to show it to you on the new one, and then we're going to show the replacement. I have a meter here with continuity test, and I'm going to check on the resistance. Here on my meter I see that I have connectivity. It shows 25.4. I let go, I have no continuity. So this is a good unit. I'm going to put it away for a second. And for this job, we're going to need a pair of pliers. A drill can help. With the socket, this is a quarter size socket. Okay? What we're going to do, first of all, safety. Got to remove the power supply. So I unplugged it from the back of the unit. Okay, so there's no power to it. And what we're going to do, we're going to come down here. You can follow me. Here at the bottom we have 2 screws, one on each side. There you go, right here. Save them. And now, close this back up. Believe it or not, this whole thing lifts. Now I'm going to use a little stick just to keep it open for me. And this is my bad unit right here. Got some lighting there. Okay, so what we're going to do, very simple. We have the connections, the electrical connections back here. We're going to disconnect that, remove the screws here that hold in place, and put the brand new unit inside on it. So first let me unplug the wire connections. Trust me, my wife will be happy when I make this repair. You can save a lot of money and you don't have to throw your unit, your tire range in the garbage. Get a new one. So no electrical connections. Now back to the drill. This screw just holds wires in place. Save it. I'll try this one. Another screw. Another screw. More. Save all the screws. I just have to get the old unit out. And it looks intact. I've inspected this before and I checked the connections. The unit is bad, but I cannot see any fracture, any burn, nothing. So I got a new one. As you can see, they are identical, same model.
No, I just put 0. I just put 0.
Place it in the same position. Let me just flip this around this way. Okay. Put the screws back in.
It says on the website, it says
course doesn't want to help. So let's use this. And see, this repair will not take much time at all. Interestingly enough, the plate has numbers, which has to do with the position of the screws. And here the old one had it at 30. I put it back at 30 also, so it will be a perfect match with the wires the way they are laid out. Bring this back too. One more here. And now the wire, just to keep it in place. I believe sound looks like it was on 57. Now the electrical connections, you can get closer here. This goes in the same way the other one was. As you can see the connection there. The lighting's not that great. And boom. That should do it. Just gonna do a little squeeze on the terminal here. Just make sure it's nice and snug. And we are done. Now I can move my little stick. And drop the unit. And again, I'm going to show you now on the old unit that my meter shows no connectivity. You can get closer here. This should show connectivity. See, it says 0. That's not right. You're supposed to do something. So this is a bad unit. As you can see, the whole thing is intact. I did not see any burn signs and nothing strange. But I got a new unit. So throw that away. And I'm going to now put the screws here at the bottom. One. Where's the other screw? Oh, there you go. Right here in the corner. And we are done. Now I'm going to pull the unit out. Plug in the power. And time for the truth. Will my wife be happy on this Christmas? Let's see. Let's see. I feel the heat. Look at that beauty. I spent about 50 bucks on this repair. I got the part on eBay. And if you find the same problem, I hope that you can figure it out on yourself and not throw away your entire range. Alright? Thank you. Remember, cheap and proud, every dollar counts. Goodbye.